Aviation words and phrases. Checking in. The passengers are checking in at the counter to get their boarding pass. እቶም ተሳፈርቲ boarding pass ንወስዱ ምርጋጽ ይገብርሉ። Security screening. The security officers are screening the passengers to ensure safety. እቶም ናይ ድሕነት ሰራሕተኛታት ነቶም ተሳፈርቲ ይፍትሽዎም ኣለዉ። Waiting area. The passengers are waiting for their flight at the waiting area. እቶም ተሳፈርቲ ኣብቲ መጸበዪ ቦታ ኮይኖም በረሮም ይጽበዩ ኣለዉ። Boarding the plane. The passengers are boarding the plane and finding their seats. እቶም ተሳፈርቲ ናብቲ ኣውሮፕላን ይድይቡን ቦታኦም ይደልዩን ኣለዉ። Take off. The plane is taking off and heading into the sky. እቲ ኣውሮፕላን ትብገስ ኣላ። During the flight, the passengers are relaxing while the plane is cruising at a high altitude. እቲ ኣውሮፕላን ኣብ ልዑል ብራኸ ትበርር ኣላ። እቶም ተሳፈርቲ እውን ይዘናግዑ ኣለዉ። Landing. The plane is landing safely on the runway. እቲ ኣውሮፕላን በሰላም ተዓልባ ኣላ። Disembarking. The passengers are disembarking, or the passengers are getting off the plane. እቶም ተሳፈርቲ ካብቲ ኣውሮፕላን ይወርዱ ኣለዉ። Collecting luggage. The passengers are collecting their luggage. እቶም ተሳፈርቲ ቦርሶም ይወስዱ ኣለዉ።